we got a challenge here. Oh, watch out.
Car about to fuck him up.
Because he ran the stop sign, that's why that white car. They just be coming out, like. Come on, I want him to hit it. I want him to hit it. Hit it. Come on. I want him to hit it. Let's get a clear shot and see what happens.
Clear shot.
You better have something serious under there, boy. Good. Look, he behind me. Come on.
You're about to fly me at my seat.
I got you, don't worry.
Oh my goodness.
I wish y'all could see behind. I wish I had was my ZL1 where you had the camera behind, man. Where you going? Where you going? Yeah, I want us both to get a clear shot on that street. Let's go. These videos are highly edited, not real AI is in use. Speedometer is altered. Yeah. Let's go. See him behind? Let's go up. Come on. We both want a clear shot. Don't worry. We'll get it. It's coming up. I'm letting go of the throttle, bro. Come on. Let him go again. Let me give him a spot again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nice. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what you said. You said something about traffic.
There's something about the traffic. Yeah, there's a traffic though. Something about the traffic though.
It don't matter, bro. Traffic or not, your shit is not keeping up. Hey. Yeah. Expect the 550, man. Expect the M5 lights. Where'd he go? I don't know. Huh?
You just passed him.
No, he ahead. That's yeah. man, I ain't going nowhere.
I'm going nowhere. It's much traffic.
What's that, 370 or 350Z? I don't even know. I didn't even see it. Trust me, I'm why. He's escaping right now in traffic, but if I see a clear shot, I hope you don't think you're leaving me right now, bro. I'm chilling.
You already know from up there. That he's not doing nothing. That's why he's trying to run fast.
Yeah.
Let me keep moving good. When he catch me, he gone.
He froze up when he saw the camera. He was like, oh, how are we doing? Man. Yeah, he's still cutting up over there. Still, I think he's cutting up with another car, but to
that was fun.
yeah, I'm about to take the 595 exit. Tired of taking center. Then right, always on that road.
Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
I got that thing to tell you.
Why is there so much? Oh, I guess it's early. Rush hour right now, kind of.
It's time. Dark up fast. Dark up early.
I need to call that brake guy. It's time. Yeah.
Time.
Yeah, I keep hesitating because I'm trying to use these brake pads until it until it reaches the sensor, like. But
Does the car tell you yet?
no, not yet. There's still a lot of meat on the brake pads. That's why I don't want it to go to waste. But if I want to do like serious driving, you know what I mean, like that. So, you know, I gotta change it first. Yeah. So I've been taking it easy on these guys. Like all these POVs and races recently, like I've been going easy. Boys don't know. And I had a piece from a previous night, I think, that not much happened, so maybe I might join it. I don't know yet.
Egotistical ways I embraced back in middle school.
Oh, I knew you all want to look at it. You pull over someone else. You said what? You said what?
Sounds good as fuck.
Thank you. Huh?
His own so terrible.
Not that bad.
He said, get the bees.
Alright, so
What you got?
hey, what you got done to this?
The downpipe and the exhaust.
Oh, nice.
Blow out.
I think you're about to turn. Let me give him a chance. He said he got a down pipes. That's the real straightaway right there. Hit it! Come on, man. Hey, it was hard to find this, right? Do this for you.
Almost cried.